Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Teacher. I'm so happy to see you again. Today we're talking about the most common English mistakes that learners make. And trust me, even if you've been studying English for years, you might still be making some of these errors without realizing it. But don't worry, in this lesson, I'll show you the top 10 mistakes English learners make, and how to fix them instantly. So stick around until the end, because we'll also have a quick quiz to test yourself. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a language. That's normal. The problem is, when you repeat the same mistakes again and again, they become habits. So today, we're going to break those habits and replace them with correct English. 1. No. I am agree. Yes, I agree. Agree is a verb. You don't need am. Example, wrong. I am agree with you. Right. I agree with you. 2. No. She go to school every day. Yes, she goes to school every day. Third person singular. Add s. Example, he plays football. She goes to school. 3. No. I have 25 years. Yes, I am 25 years old. Age uses be, not have. Example, I am 25 years old. 4. No. He's married with a doctor. Yes, he's married to a doctor. We say married to, not with. Example, she's married to my cousin. 5. No. I look forward to see you. Yes, I look forward to seeing you. Look forward to plus thing form. Example, I look forward to meeting you. 6. No. I didn't went to school. Yes, I didn't go to school. After didn't, use base form. Example, I didn't eat breakfast. 7. No. It depends of the situation. Yes, it depends on the situation. The correct preposition is on. Example, it depends on the weather. 8. No. I'm boring. Yes, I'm bored. Boring equals describes something. Bored equals describes you. Example, this movie is boring. I'm bored. 9. No. He explained me the problem. Yes, he explained the problem to me. Explain needs an object plus to. Example, she explained the rules to us. 10. No. Let's discuss about it. Yes, let's discuss it. Discuss already means talk about. Example, we need to discuss the plan. 'Alright, let's review quickly. Here are the 10 mistakes you must stop making. I agree, not I am agree. She goes, not she go. I am 25, not I have 25. Married to, not married with. Look forward to meeting, not to meet. Didn't go, not didn't went. Depends on, not depends of. I'm bored, not I'm boring. Explain to me, not explain me. Discuss it, not discuss about. Now, practice out loud with me. Say, I agree with you. Say, she goes to school. Say, I am 25 years old. Good. Keep practicing until it feels natural. Let's test yourself. I'll say the wrong sentence. You fix it. Ready? 1. Wrong. I have 30 years. Answer. I am 30 years old. 2. Wrong. He's married with my sister. Answer. He's married to my sister. 3. Wrong. I didn't eat breakfast. Answer. I didn't eat breakfast. 4. Wrong. This movie is bored. Answer. This movie is boring. 5. Wrong. It depends of the price. Answer. It depends on the price. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Awesome work today, everyone. You just learned the top 10 English mistakes you must stop making. Remember, mistakes are part of learning, but now you know how to fix them. Which of these mistakes do you make the most often? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit like, subscribe to Daily English Teacher, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.